In this video, we will compare two popular portable washing machines. The Zenu portable washing machine and the eRives Compact Mini Twin Tub. We'll look at their specifications, pros and cons, and help you decide which one is the best choice for your laundry needs. The Zenu portable washing machine has a capacity of 13 liters, making it suitable for small loads such as baby clothes and underwear. In contrast, the eRives Compact Mini Twin Tub boasts a larger capacity of 20 pounds for washing and 12 pounds for spinning, allowing for more efficient laundry processing. This makes the eRives a better option for users with larger laundry needs. When it comes to price, the Zenu portable washing machine is significantly more affordable at just $57. On the other hand, the eRives Compact Mini Twin Tub is priced at $189, which may be a consideration for budget-conscious buyers. However, the higher price of the eRives reflects its larger capacity and additional features. The Zenu portable washing machine is designed for portability, featuring a compact and foldable design that makes it easy to store. In contrast, the eRives Compact Mini Twin Tub offers a twin tub design that allows for simultaneous washing and spinning, along with a drying rack and hangers for added convenience. This makes the eRives a more versatile option for those who need to do larger loads of laundry. In conclusion, both the Zenu portable washing machine and the eRives Compact Mini Twin Tub have their unique advantages. The Zenu is perfect for small spaces and budget-conscious users, while the eRives offers larger capacity and more features for those who need it. Let us know in the comments which one you would choose. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.